What if I told you that your Samsung Galaxy S23 or even your mid-range Galaxy S series could now feel almost brand new again? Well, that is exactly what Samsung is doing with the release of its One UI 8 beta, powered by Android 16, and the best part, it is finally rolling out to older devices, not just the shiny new flagships. Samsung had promised last month that more phones would be included in this testing phase, and now they are delivering on that promise. The One UI 8 beta is already live for the Galaxy S24, Z Fold 6, and Z Flip 6, but today, the list just got a lot bigger. Owners of the Galaxy S23 series, Galaxy A36, Galaxy A35, Galaxy A54, and Galaxy A55 can now join the beta program in select regions. So what exactly does this mean for you if you own one of these phones? Let's start with the Galaxy S23 series. Whether you have the standard Galaxy S23, the larger Galaxy S23 Plus, or the fully loaded Galaxy S23 Ultra, you can now install the One UI 8 beta. You live in India. The build number is S91XBXXU8ZYHB, and the download comes in at around 3.1 gigabytes alongside the Android 16 base. It also includes the September 2025 security patch. That means you are not only getting new features, but also the latest security protections right away. For the Galaxy S series, the update is a little smaller but no less exciting. The Galaxy A36 beta build is about 2.1 gigabytes, and it is rolling out in the United States, the United Kingdom, South Korea, and India. Meanwhile, the Galaxy A55 build is around 1.9 gigabytes and is available in the same regions. Owners of the Galaxy A35 and A54 are also joining the fun, although the exact regional details vary. Now, how do you get in on this? It is pretty simple. All you need to do is log into the Samsung Members application on your eligible device. From there, register for beta access. Once you are accepted, the One UI 8 beta will show up under the software updates section in your phone settings. Ready? For download. Of course, there is a catch. This is beta software, which means it is unfinished. You might run into performance problems, compatibility issues, or even bugs that make daily use a little frustrating. If your phone is your main device, you might want to hold off until the stable release is ready. But if you enjoy being among the first to test new features, this is your chance to get a sneak peek. So, what is actually new with One UI 8?